Welcome back. In this video, let's look at how to remove elements from a list using the pop and the remove function. Let's say you have this list A as defined here and you want to remove an element from a specific index. Let's say you want to remove the element 10 from this list. So the way this can be done is by using the pop function, and in order to use this function you need to know the index of the element 10. So if you look at this list, the index for element 10 is 0, 1, 2. So you want to remove the element from list A which is at position with index 2. So the way you use the pop function is as follows. You use the list variable which is list underscore A followed by a dot, and then you write pop, and then you put the index that you want to remove. Now if you print the list again, so you can see the element 10 from which was previously indexed at position 2 has been removed. Now let's say you want to remove a specific element using the element itself. Let's say you want to remove the last element of this list 100. This can be done by using the remove function, and again the way you use this is very similar to the pop. So we can just copy this line of code here, and then you replace pop with remove, and inside this round brackets you can write the element itself. Now if I print the list again, I'm just going to copy this line of code here, and now when you print it, now you can see that element 100 has been removed from this list. So this is how the pop and the remove function can be used in Python list if you want to remove any elements.